Hello students. Today we are going to learn about farm system in USA and farm system in our country. So difference in the lifestyles of farmers in the USA and India. One case study is given in our textbook in which it is shown about a developing country and developed country agricultural system. Lifestyle of farmer of USA. First I am going to let you know. Average size of the farm in the USA is about 250 hectares, means very large. The size of farm is very large. The farmer generally resides on the farm. The crops which are grown by them are corn, soybean, wheat, cotton and sugar beet. These are the major agricultural crops. A farmer whose name is Joe Horan, a farmer in the Mid-East USA in Iowa State, owns about 300 hectares of land. He grows corn on his field on suitable soil and water resources. He takes adequate measures to control pests. From time to time, he sends the soil sample to the soil testing laboratory to check sufficient nutrients. The results helps the farmer to plan a scientific fertilizer program. His computer is also linked to the satellite, which gives him a precise picture of his field. It helps him to use chemical fertilizers and pesticides. He also uses tractors, seed drills, level and combine harvester and thresher to perform various agricultural operations. Grains are stored in the automated grain storage or are dispatched to market agencies. The farmer in USA works like a businessman and not like a peasant farmer. Now, lifestyle of farmer in India. The size of farm in India is about 1.5 hectare. The farm is located in the plain areas and the farmer is the farm owner. He has his residence in the main village nearby. This farm has a well in a corner of the farm. A tube well in the neighborhood also provide irrigational facilities. This Indian farmer also uses pump set to irrigate his fields that may be taken on the rent or maybe sometime he has his own. The entire land is divided into small plots to grow different crops. Rice is the main crop which is grown by him. Soil is very fertile, hence another crop is also grown. Wheat is grown during the period of November to April. He takes advice of his friends and elders. Government agricultural officers also advise him with regard to farming practices. He uses high yielding variety seeds and implements in the farm. He also has a few livestock, cow, buffalo, bulls, hens and chicks. He obtains milk and sells it in the cooperative store located in the nearby town. The milk producer cooperative suggests the type of fodder also and safety measures to protect the health of the livestock and artificial insemination, etc. Indian farmer also mobilizes agricultural laborers from the same village or from neighboring villages for agricultural operations. All the family members help him in various activities. He requires money to purchase various inputs, fertilizer and pesticide for which he depends on money lender. Agricultural cooperative societies or bank also provide him loan. Indian farmer sells his produce in the mandi located in the nearby town. Since majority of the farmers lack storage facility, they have to sell the produce at low price. Nowadays we can see the government has taken some steps to develop storage facilities. Majority of farmers do not have sufficient literacy and capital to undertake modern farming. It is hoped that in near future the condition of farmers in our country would improve and they would become a modern farmer. So this was about Indian farmer, a comparative study about Indian agriculture and USA agriculture. So that's all for today. Thank you very much.